I am happy to welcome all of you at Quaker Houghton booth. Quaker Houghton is a global leader in process fluids. We are present all over India. We have a manufacturing facility at Dahej and toll blowing facility at Calcutta. We proudly say when it is metal or rolled, cut, drawn or cast, Quaker Houghton is there. We actually optimize the process at customer place. We introduce innovative products. This is a metalworking focused exhibition. So Quaker Houghton decided to participate in this exhibition, which is regional based. We are thankful to IMTMA for organizing such type of events. And the beauty of Quaker Houghton is that we have all the product range which are required in manufacturing, whether it is a die casting, forging, heat treatment, metal removal, neat and soluble, rust preventives and industrial cleaners. Quaker Houghton is the only company which has all the product line in one basket. So that is what we wanted to showcase to our customer and offer them a sustainable solution. Now I will like to invite my colleague Om Bagri, who's a All India Product Application Head. He will introduce all the segments of Quaker Houghton or product line which we are offering under one roof.
So I'll just take you through the product range what we have in. So we work on the technology of cradle to gate. So we have the product from starting of the process of manufacturing to till the end of the process. So this section what you see is all about the water soluble products, wherein it's all about the soluble products used in machining, grinding, and these products go not only in the automotive, it also goes in the aerospace, it also goes in the industrial solutions. So we have end-to-end solutions for all the manufacturing processes across the industry. So in the industry, we also have the neat oil range also, and these neat oils are for all the manufacturing applications, not only the auto OEMs, grinding, for aerospace, for all the industries. And the breakthrough technology has been MO-free technology, what we call it as, which is purely onto the mineral oil, non-mineral oil base, which is vegetable ester technology, giving more sustainable solutions to the industry. So we have a combination of both MO-based products as well as non-MO-based, which are more solution-oriented, more sustainable solutions which we are providing to industry. Heat treatment has been our forte. We are the pioneers of launching the polymer in the industry. So for heat treatment, we have both the product solutions, oil-based and also the water-based, which is polymer-based technology, what we call it as. This is moving more towards the sustainable solutions, and this is our key, which we are trying to drive in the industry. Polymer basically we have for both the induction hardening application as well as dunk hardening applications, and also the oil technology which is traditionally being used in your steel quench furnaces and through hardening processes. So as I was mentioning about the cradle to gate philosophy what we have in, so this is the starting of the process what we call it as, which is forging. We are happy to introduce our white products which are graphite free, more sustainable solutions, giving it more EHS environmental friendly solutions to the industry, making it more operator friendly. We also have the graphite technology which is used for extensive forging applications. So we have the combination of both the technologies in our product portfolio. So die casting is one of the predominant what we are seeing in the industry because of the lightweighting of the vehicles. We see a lot of components getting more shifted towards the aluminium. And for aluminium, die casting is the main process for manufacturing of those components. We have the complete end-to-end solutions for the die casting, as well as their support requirements like polyslick, which is bead-based. We have the oil-based plungers, lubricants. So we have the end-to-end solution even for the die casting application. The predominant here is the fire-resistant hydraulic fluid. In die casting industry, what we see that there are high chances because running at the high temperatures, there are high chances of fire happening in. So we have the product range which is known as fire-resistant hydraulic fluids, which helps in controlling those, making your shop floor more safer, more environmental friendly and more operator friendly. So from the product-based company, we are now moving more towards the solution orientation. And Fluid Trend is moving more towards the solution providers, what we want us to be known as, which is combination of not only the products but also the solutions, which makes customer more free to optimize their processes, make it more cost effective. Fluid Trend is one of our key structures here, wherein we not only have the data getting collected, we also give the solutions based on the data. Our technology is measure, control, and optimize, which we call it as MCO, which works on that. So Fluid Trend works on this principle, helping customers to meet their expectations of process optimization, cost optimization, and helping in total cost of operations being managed and controlled.
So thank you so much, Mr. Om Bagri, for showing us the product, what you have for metalworking industry. What I understood from your presentations, that VivoC4 from metalworking industry, they have the solutions, process fluid solutions, that are designed to increase or rather enhance the quality, productivity as well as efficiency of your metalworking.
Hello viewers, I'm Neha Wagle. If you liked watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us so you never miss any of the latest industrial news from around the country and the world. Stay connected with us and keep watching Mojo for Industry for all the latest updates.